This is a Paramecium at 40x objective lens, so about 400 power, more or less, at the sensor. I'm using a Nikon fluophile phase contrast condenser in the bright field position and a little bit of an offset to give the oblique lighting. Here you can see, I believe, the trychocysts at the inner surface of the cell wall lining. You can see them there. They look like little root hairs, maybe, I don't know. But I believe this is a trichocyst. This is the first time I've seen them clear enough to believe that that's what they are. And the black things inside are, I believe, uric acid crystals, which parameciums do make. You can see the contractile vacuoles, and I believe there are nuclei in there somewhere. I'm not sure. That line in the middle that's coming around from the back side, that's the mouth orifice, the oral groove. The reason he's distended like this is the slide is about 10 minutes old now, so they're at the end of life. And the small moving things here are, I believe, Paranema. We'll see more of them later. I'm adjusting the, there's the polarized light at 10x, I believe these are. Adjusting the polarizer from full to partial extinction and no extinction. So you can see these things. These are birefringent particles and crystals inside the body of it. Here's the other one. I was sent 2 jars of these samples with parameciums in them. I can get parameciums out of the Mississippi River, but they don't last long here. So these were sent to me almost a month ago now, and I've kept them alive in the jars by feeding them yeast, and as the water evaporated, I filled it back up with distilled water, and they've lasted all this time. Now these are at the end of their life because they're on the slide, but when I first dip them out of the water, they're fine, healthy looking, zipping around like parameciums do. And I've split the original bottle into 2 bottles, and I've kept both of them alive, and I'm going to try and introduce them to my small 3-gallon glass aquarium, microbe aquarium. I've kept them in there before, but they never lasted very long. Here's Peranema. He's got birefringent particles in him also. See this one. This paramecium's getting a blem on the side. meaning he'll probably blow up. I'm kind of interested to see if the birefringent crystals stop shining when the animal dies, or whether they keep on going. There's the contractile vacuole showing the star-shaped things, muscles, or not muscles, but whatever they are there. One at about 10 o'clock. Not the biggest one. I don't know what the others are. One at the top there, that looks like a food vacuole. Several of them look like food vacuoles. And two contractile vacuoles. Possibly small nuclei. The blem is growing quite a bit now. I'm wondering why they're flickering in different colors. I wonder if it's just some movement, kind of like a reflecting crystal or mirror in the sunlight. There he goes, poor thing. So they're still glowing. And there's a 20x view of it. And the other one is gone too. This is a Paranema at 40x. You can see his flagella whip there pretty good. And we're coming up on the end of the movie here.